Engineering excellence for steel wire manufacturers, inspection, testing, and global supply chains by URGS International. Hello everyone, welcome to another professional engineering knowledge session from URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Today's topic is empowering steel wire manufacturers and global supply chains with engineering excellence. Steel wire products are among the most important engineering materials used across almost every industrial sectors. Whether it is construction, automotive, power transmission, oil and gas, mining, infrastructure, agriculture, telecommunications, railways, aerospace, or industrial manufacturing, steel wire plays a critical role in ensuring strength, safety, durability, and long term reliability. As customers' expectations continue to rise, manufacturers must consistently produce steel wire that complies with stringent international quality standards while maintaining high productivity and cost efficiency. In today's video, we will discuss how URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited supports steel wire manufacturers worldwide through engineering consultancy, inspection, testing, quality assurance, supplier development, and manufacturing excellence. Let us begin. Steel wire industry overview. The steel wire industry has evolved tremendously over the past few decades. Modern manufacturing demands products that possess high tensile strength, excellent ductility, corrosion resistance, fatigue resistance, dimensional accuracy, surface quality, long service life. Steel wire is used in numerous applications including construction, pre-stressed concrete, wire ropes, automotive components, springs, fasteners, bearings, industrial mesh, welding consumables, medical devices, electrical applications, telecommunication cables, agriculture fencing, mining equipment, oil and gas operations, railway infrastructure. Each application has unique technical requirements. Even a small deviation during manufacturing may lead to serious operational failures. Therefore, quality must be built into every stage of manufacturing. Challenges faced by steel wire manufacturers. Manufacturers around the world face several challenges. These include maintaining consistent raw material quality, variation in chemical composition, heat treatment inconsistencies, surface defects, diameter variations, poor tensile properties, supplier quality issues, customer complaints, increasing international compliance requirements, cost reduction pressures, production efficiency, traceability requirements, sustainability expectations, global competition. Managing these challenges requires systematic engineering practices rather than reactive inspection. This is where URGS International provides significant value. URGS Engineering Services. URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited provides comprehensive engineering solutions designed specifically for manufacturing industries. Our services include engineering consultancy, manufacturing excellence, inspection service, quality assurance, supplier development, vendor audits, technical training, process improvement, failure investigation, global supply chain support. Our objective is not only to identify problems but to eliminate their root causes permanently. Engineering consultancy. Engineering consultancy forms the foundation of manufacturing excellence. Our experts help organizations improve manufacturing processes, reduce waste, increase productivity, optimize process flow, improve equipment utilization, enhance product quality, reduce production costs, increase customer satisfaction. We study every manufacturing stage including wire rod product inspection, pickling, drawing, annealing, galvanizing, coating, heat treatment, standing, packaging, storage, dispatch. Every process is evaluated for quality improvement opportunities. Inspection and testing services. Inspection ensures that products meet specifications before reaching customers. URGS International supports incoming material inspection, in-process inspection, final product inspection, dimensional verification, mechanical testing, visual inspection, surface defect inspection, coating thickness verification, hardness testing, tensile testing, elongation testing, microstructure evaluation, chemical composition verification, non-destructive testing where applicable, factory acceptance testing. Inspection minimizes production risks and prevents costly failures. Now, supplier quality and vendor development. A manufacturer is only as strong as its supply chain. Supplier quality directly influences final product performance. URGS International assists organizations in supplier qualification, vendor audits, supplier performance evaluation, incoming material quality, supplier risk assessment, corrective action monitoring, quality improvement programs, supplier development, global vendor qualification. Strong suppliers create strong manufacturers. Please keep this in mind. Now next is manufacturing excellence. What is this? Manufacturing excellence focuses on continuous improvement. Our experts help organizations improve process capability, machine capability, production efficiency, cycle time, overall equipment effectiveness, lean manufacturing, root cause analysis, corrective actions, preventive actions, statistical process control, quality cost reduction, defect prevention, customer satisfaction, continuous improvement. These initiatives increase profitability while maintaining high product quality. Now, international standards and compliance. See, global customers expect compliance with internationally recognized standards. URGS International assists organizations with implementation and improvement of ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, ISO/IEC 17025. Customer specific quality requirements, inspection documentation, manufacturing documentation, traceability systems, risk management, quality management systems. Compliance improves market acceptance and customer confidence. Hope this is clear. Now, why choose URGS International? Why customers and organizations choose URGS International? Organizations worldwide choose URGS International because we provide independent engineering expertise, professional inspection services, technical excellence, manufacturing improvement, experienced auditors, qualified engineers, customer-focused solutions, international best practices, cost-effective consultancy, worldwide engineering support. We work as long-term engineering partners rather than short-term consultants. As global industries continue to demand safer, stronger, and more reliable steel wire products, manufacturers must continuously improve quality, manufacturing processes, and supply chain performance. Engineering excellence is no longer optional. It is essential for global competitiveness. At URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited, we are committed to helping manufacturers achieve manufacturing excellence through engineering consultancy, inspection, testing, quality assurance, supplier development, and technical training. If your organization is looking to improve product quality, reduce defects, strengthen supplier performance, or expand into international markets, our engineering experts are ready to support you. Thank you for watching. If you found this video valuable, please like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the notification bell to stay updated with our latest engineering, inspection, quality management, and manufacturing excellence and industrial training videos. For business inquiries, engineering consultancy, inspection services, vendor audits, and technical training, please contact us. URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Our email ID is info@urgseng.com. Our mobile number is +91 73 59 45 8455. This is our WhatsApp number also. Please contact us through WhatsApp for any query at any time. Worldwide engineering, inspection, testing, quality assurance, supply chain excellence. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping your organization achieve world-class manufacturing excellence. Thank you.